Hi everybody, this is CR number 23, helper video number 1 for the multiple choice. It says, what is the slope of the line shown? Now, you all know how to do slope because you know how to find slope between 2 points. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by highlighting 2 beautiful points on this graph. It looks like there is one here, and it also looks like there's one here. So the first thing I'm recognizing is that the slope goes downhill when going from left to right. And if it's going downhill right away, I know that it's a negative slope. So I can eliminate D and E right away. Now I want to do rise over run. Rise, remember, can go up or down. So in this situation, I always work left to right. I start with the left point. I want to get to the next point. Do I need to go up or do I need to go down in order to be even with that point? Well, hopefully you're saying I need to go down. I need to go down 1 and then I'm even with that point. So right now I'm going down, which means negative 1. Now I'm not sitting on that new point yet, so I have to go to the right 1, 2 in order to sit on that point. So negative 1 means I go down 1. Positive 2 means I go to the right 2. And the answer that matches that is C. Good luck with yours.